A very good morning, students. So today we are going to talk about our Telangana State Board Social Studies Rampur, a village economic. Okay. So in this one we are going to see all the important and repeating question of Telangana State Board which already come in your board examination. Okay. So let's start. So this is notes of this chapter. So we are not going to see the notes. We directly go to the our important questions. Okay. So let's go here. So this is a MCQ question. Actually MCQ is important in your 80 marks paper because 20 marks for your MCQ only. Okay, so here we can see the MCQ. In this one very less MCQ come. There is a, you see, there is a 4 MCQ only which is important in this one, which already come in your board examination. Okay, so if it is clear, then let's come here. This is a very short question answer. Mention some of non-farming activities of your village. What is multiple cropping? This is important. Okay, how many cropping seasons are in India? This is also important. Actually, in this one, all the questions are important. But for your upcoming examination, which is important, you can see what are the factors of production. Name the some natural resources. Okay. So these are the important questions here. Why agriculture provide high plains and areas in the plateau areas? Define physical capital and working capital. How technology intervenes will the factors of production, right? So these are the actually it's questions which already held in your board examination. Okay, so these are the importance. Like if you see the seventh question, it is telling in what way the people using land in rural and urban area. You know, the land settlement and the land it is totally different in the rural areas and urban areas. You know, in the rural areas the land is not a fix. You will get some land here and some land is here, some land is here, this part. But in the urban areas this land will be totally in one place only. It is like that much, this they will give like that in the cities areas. But in village if you see some land in your like somewhere, but in city it is totally in one way it is given to you. Okay, so these are the issue of all over India. It is not in our state only. So easy type question. So explain the reason for the depleted groundwater and tables and mention activities. So I don't think it will come here, it come into your examination. Okay, so it is still here only, and I hope you will understand these questions and you will also understand, yeah, this is important or not. And I hope everything is your doubt will be clear. And if you have any doubt, so please just leave a comment to me and definitely I will reply to that. Okay, so don't worry about it. And if you really like this, share with your friends and we will meet a next video. Jai Hind.